In this tutorial, we are building a Google Sheets invoice tracker that shows which invoices are overdue and drafts the first follow-up email. Use fake data first. For the demo, every client name, invoice number, email address, and amount is sample data. Start with the columns that matter: client, email, invoice number, amount, due date, status, days overdue, follow-up priority, and email draft. After the fake invoice rows are in the sheet, the first formula checks whether an invoice is unpaid and past its due date. If it is, the sheet counts how many days overdue it is. The second formula turns that number into a simple label: no action, watch, follow-up, or urgent. This is what makes the tracker easy to scan every Monday. The final formula creates a polite reminder draft with the client name, invoice number, amount, and due date. This is a draft, not an automatic sender. Review it before you copy it into email. The weekly routine is simple. Filter to follow-up and urgent, read every draft, send only what you approve, then update the status when a client pays or replies. That gives you a small, practical system for invoice follow-ups without chasing old emails by hand.